Welcome to the San Mateo County Arts Commission applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a common grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant from the Educator Micro Grants. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find San Mateo County Arts and click on Select Program. San Mateo County Arts Commission has multiple programs or applications on our site, so next to the Educator Micro Grants, click on Start Draft App. You're now in the draft application. Currently we're on the introduction page. There's also a contact page and a narrative page. So when you scroll down and you read all the information on this page, you can use the arrows to the right to move to the next page, or you can jump ahead using the tabs. Anytime you enter any information on a page and you use the arrows or the tabs to jump ahead, your information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be entering a lot of information on one page and being on that page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Some fields have a red asterisk. If they have a red asterisk, they are required. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. You cannot submit this application until you fill out all the required fields. So when we move from the contact page, the next page is the narrative page. This page has some text boxes. For example, this box, Lesson Summary, allows 1,500 characters. As you type, you can see the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. You can also write your answers in other programs such as the Microsoft Word and cut and paste them into these boxes. Some browsers allow you to extend these boxes and make them bigger. The second to last page is the preview check page. I have a big red not ready for submission. Clearly I did not fill out all the required fields. Below is a table letting me know what fields are incorrect or need to be fixed. For example, on the contact page, I left teacher first name as empty. I can click on the link here to go back to the contact page or here and correct it. Once all my required fields are filled out, I will have a green ready for submission. I can submit my application. I receive an application number on the screen, and I also receive an email confirmation letting me know my application was successfully submitted. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If you click pause, you pause out of the application. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner. When you log back in, you have a resume draft application and an exit draft application. You can click resume draft application and go right back in where you left off. If you click exit draft application, you don't lose any work that you've entered. You've just removed that you've been working on the draft. If you did this by accident, just click on Start Draft App, select San Mateo County Arts Commission, and go back into the application. As well as getting an email confirmation that your application was successfully submitted, you can also find a copy of your application under your Grants tab. If you have any question for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.